Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the session so analysis is reliable. Open the project and set the tempo and time signature to match the material you suspect the key for. This prevents misleading transpositions. Solo the part or mute distractions, then enable cycle and loop the most representative bar range. Once looped, make sure tuning is correct. Use the tuner plugin if needed, so the ear and tools hear the true pitches. This saves time and avoids false detections. Now use Logic's analysis tools to find the tonal center. Insert the tuner on the track to see repeated pitch classes and open musical typing or a MIDI instrument to test suspected notes. Apply flex pitch or enable transient detection to extract note data from audio. Once you have note clusters, use Match EQ to reveal emphasized frequencies that correspond to chord roots. As you map roots across the loop, determine whether the collection fits a finish by confirming the key with practical testing. Create a minimal I Roman for V or I Roman for V progression in that key and play it under the loop to check harmonic compatibility. Once done, make sure you inspect for modal interchange or chromatic accidentals. These can mask the true home key and suggest relative major or minor. If things still sound ambiguous, transpose the project in 1 semitone increments. This quick shift often reveals the best fit. Troubleshooting tip: if automatic tools disagree, trust ear first, then use tools to corroborate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.